Hello and welcome to another quick update about Luna Classic. So here we talked about the video, in yesterday's video we talked about a potential retest here of the descending wedge. So the idea was that maybe Luna Classic completed its wave 1 up here. That's where I told you basically to get out or at least take some profits. We then came down in a wave 2, my support area was reached. We have reversed from this support area at around 25, whatever it was, 2500 or something. We broke out of that descending wedge, which I made you aware of, that descending wedge here, which is a potential bullish reversal pattern. And yeah, indeed, we broke out, we retested. Yeah, this is where I told you this could be a wave 1-2 setup, and we could be moving up next in a wave 3. Okay, the problem is now we have an overlap here between, you could label this as a wave 3-4 and we'd now be in a 5. This is possible if we say, because you normally don't have an overlap between wave 4 and 1. This is possible in a wave 1, so this would be a wave 1 of a wave 3. Let me show you and explain to you, but I don't like these patterns. They're not very clear. A leading diagonal is just always a little bit unreliable. So we would be looking at possibly reversing now in a wave 3, and that this here is currently the wave 1 of that wave 3. So basically here a wave 1 of a wave 3, and next we would be expecting here a wave 2 of the wave 3. The problem that we have here is I don't like these overlap patterns. It's just, it's possible, but it's not highly reliable. And also we haven't really reached the ideal targets for a wave 3. If we look at this, we came close to my target that I gave you in the previous video, but didn't quite reach it. So, to be fair, a wave 3 can reach the 1.236 extension, yeah, but then the wave 4 was quite a strong retracement. Normally you wouldn't expect the wave 4 to retrace more than 50%. If we look at this, it possibly even didn't do more, but it overlapped with wave 1, which isn't great. So let's see how much it retraced. Right, it actually retraced to 61.8 level. So, okay, it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, but then the 5th wave is still missing. At the moment I have only 3 waves. I'd like to see one more leg up. Yeah, one more leg up. And then we could be more certain that this indeed is a leading diagonal in a wave 1. I'd like to see one more leg up. I can give you a target for that we would need to reach to be more confident in that. There would be the 35021 level, roughly, yeah, the 1-to-1 ratio between wave 1 and wave 5. Then I'd be happy about that. Then we have 5 waves in wave 5 and we could be more certain this was a wave 1, then there would be another entry point in a wave 2. So let's say we get to that level. I'll mark that here on the chart. Let's say we get to that level. Then we'd be looking at a wave 2 retracement, which could certainly reach the area, all the way down to 26598. With support possibilities here at 28722 and 30213. Plus minus, whatever. So there's a bit of inaccuracy here because this is really low market cap coin. And then we could move up in the wave 3 of the wave 3. If we drop, in any drop now, below this 26598 level, I think we're going to go down much further. Yeah, because this is the 78.6% fib level. A drop below that level would strongly encourage further price drops. Also, we would be losing the previous wave 2 low. So yeah, not high confidence at the moment. You could just, if you haven't bought in here at the retest where you probably made some profits, yeah, then I'd be waiting. Personally, I'd be waiting now just to see what the market is doing. If it makes another wave 5 up, there would be another dip expected soon anyway, in my opinion. And in that wave 2 correction, which should then be coming, and any bullish outbreak or breakout, that would be another entry point here. So I'd be waiting at the moment, just seeing what the market is doing. If you bought in here at the retest, this possible 1-2 setup, these are the setups which are usually very interesting from an Elliott Wave point of view. In the last video we had identified such a 1-2 setup, so there was potential to go long here. If you did that, again, I can only share with you what I would do. In your case, I would start to take some profits already, just because this is not highly reliable in terms of breakout pattern due to the overlaps. It could very well just be a corrective wave pattern, and if it is a bullish pattern, then we would be seeing probably a wave 2 retracement anyway. So that's my view. And generally, I think we can be focused more generally on the upside as long as we're holding this fib level that I showed you here, basically around this wave 2 low at around 26000. Yeah. Okay, and that's currently my view here. The thing is, this looks completely different as, for example, this move up. Yeah, this is impulsive. Or this move up, this was impulsive. Strong moves up, low retracements, yeah, weak retracements. Here you have quite a bit of overlap, so it looks a bit like a corrective move to the upside, which could be followed by an impulse down. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I think in the next few days we'll know more. Certainly an interesting chart to follow, I think, and I know a lot of you are interested in what's going to happen here and the possibilities. Certainly this move to the downside in a yellow wave 2 doesn't need to be finished yet. It had a breakout to the upside of the descending wedge. I mean, that looks interesting. It also in this wave 2 came down to the 61.8% fib level, but there is still space for further price drops. I mean, again, I said before, if we lose this red line here at 17293, I think then we have to consider that all of this move is going to come down much more, and then I mean, at the moment we can be carefully focused on bullish here generally, yeah. But if we drop below that 17293 level, this is, again, it's an important Fibonacci level. If we lose this level, yeah, I think we're going to go down in a much lower range. This would also be below this wave 1 low. This is never a good sign, and then I'd be getting out of this. Yeah, then I'd be extremely you need to be careful with this coin anyway. I said it before. Take a TA of such a coin with a pinch of salt. Yeah, so far it's worked out really nicely, but I always try to emphasize the risk here and the possible invalidation points as well. So yeah, be aware of them. And from a longer term point or longer time frame point of view, really what we need to see is a breakout above the 0005 level here. Yeah, because this could be an ABC. And if we break above that level, that would give us much more confidence that we are in a sustainable breakout to the upside. But then we would need to break out above the 600 level to get to the 001 level. This would be the target that we need to reach anyway to confirm here a higher level bullish setup. Okay, and that's my update about Luna Classic. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.